You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French civil engineer and physicist. He is famous for his work on light and lens and effect, zone, diffraction equations, etc. So let's learn how to say his name in French and subsequently how to pronounce it in English. In French, Augustin-Jean, Augustin-Jean Fresnel. Fresnel, yes, the S is silent. It just makes the E sound like a E. Fresnel. Augustin-Jean Fresnel is how you say it in France. In English, Augustin-Jean Fresnel. Fresnel is how his name is usually pronounced. Fresnel in English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.